Welcome back to Cure Depression with Ray, where I teach you how to permanently cure your depression without using medication. My method to cure depression is all about finding the answers to the existential questions in life. Questions such as, who am I? Why do I exist? What's the meaning of life? I have completed this journey, and all those questions will be unraveled if you just answer this one question. Who am I at an existential level? Once you know who you really are at an existential level, your whole perspective on life will change. Whatever happens or doesn't happen on the outside, you will always feel good on the inside. And your depression will just disappear immediately. If you are new to this channel and haven't seen this method before, please check out the earlier videos in this series. Link to the playlist in the description. In the previous 5 videos, we discussed the details of each step in this process individually. In this 6th and final video in this series, I will show you how to put everything together and use this method in a practical sense. To start off, review the first 4 lessons in this series. Lesson number 1 is the method overview video. Lesson number 2 is the video on the guiding principles. Lesson number 3 is about understanding and sharpening your mind, which will be the main tool for our method. Lesson number 4 is about the direct method. After you review lesson number 4, you should attempt to use the direct method. If you did not succeed in your first attempt with the direct method, move on and review lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is all about the indirect method. After reviewing lesson number 5, make your first attempt to use the indirect method. If you did not succeed in your first attempt at using the indirect method, take some time to reflect on the failed attempt and figure out the causes of the failed attempt. The most likely causes of the failed attempt are either you did not fully adhere to the guiding principles, or your mind is not sharp enough. So the next steps are to review again lessons number 2 and number 3 on the guiding principles and practices to sharpen your mind. After that, make another attempt with the direct method. If that fails yet again, make a second attempt with the indirect method. Most likely, you will fail yet again in your second attempt. So, repeat the cycle of reflecting on your failed attempts, figuring out the causes, taking steps to remedy those causes, and making further attempts with the direct method and the indirect method. Repeat this cycle until you find the answer and your depression is successfully cured. Curing depression is not easy, but is it worth the effort? Absolutely. Surely you don't want to continue suffering. I've been in your position. I know how horrible it is. So please do try to use my method. I've given you all the steps for free. There are no other secret steps that I'm keeping hidden from you. It's all there in the previous 5 videos in this series. If you succeed at curing your depression using my method all by yourself, I will be very happy. Please do get in touch with me. That's why I've given the details of the entire process for free. If you really get stuck and don't know how to proceed, there are a few ways that I can help you. Number 1, I intend to publish case study videos to this channel for the benefit of everyone learning my method. You can apply to be a participant in these case studies. This is absolutely free. But of course, you have to agree to be featured in these videos that I will publish. Number 2, you can pay me for hourly coaching sessions, where I will guide you through the method, help you identify where you're being stuck and why you're being stuck. Number 3, you can apply for the outcome-based coaching arrangement. Under this arrangement, you only pay me a large fixed fee if and when you are successfully cured. If it doesn't work, you don't pay anything at all. So I'm taking all the risk. But I expect a high level of commitment from you. Here are the details of the 3 types of help that I offer. Number 1, participating in case studies. This is suitable for those who can't afford paid coaching. It is absolutely free, however, you will have to wait in line. Naturally, I will always prioritize paid coaching over these case study sessions. These sessions will be recorded and posted online to this channel for the benefit of the community. So the cost to you is that you have to agree to be featured in these videos. The duration of the session is 30 minutes, and the objective of the session is to help participants get through the current blockage in the process that they are experiencing. Basically, it's to help you get through to the next step. Therefore, I highly recommend that you attempt using my method all by yourself first before applying for case studies. My coaching style will be very compassionate. These sessions will take place via online video call, most likely through Google Meet. Next, regarding the hourly coaching sessions. These sessions are suitable for most people suffering from depression. The cost is $100 per 1 hour session. This fee is subject to change over time. Payment is to be made in advance before each session. The duration of each session is 1 hour. The objective of the session is to help you get through your current blockage in the process. My aim is for you to make tangible progress every session. Similar to the case study sessions, my coaching style will be compassionate, and the sessions will take place via online video call, most likely Google Meet. Finally, regarding the outcome-based coaching arrangement. This arrangement is suitable for those who only care about curing their depression by all means, at all costs. The cost is a one-off fee of $50,000. This payment is to be made only after the client is successfully cured of their depression. Basically, I'm taking all the risk. However, if the client shows a lack of commitment, I will immediately end this arrangement with them. So if you're interested in this arrangement, you have to commit a full 7 days in a row. And to maximize the efficiency, the sessions will only be physically in person in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. All your travel arrangements will be at your own cost. Compared to the other two types of help that I offer, under this arrangement, my coaching style will be a lot harsher because I need to maximize the efficiency to get the results. Therefore, I will be pushing you very, very hard. This table shows the side-by-side comparison of the different types of help that I offer. If you need my help, read this video's description for the latest details of how to apply. So, what's next for the channel? I intend to post case studies to help you learn from other people's journey and progress. I will also be posting more informative videos about depression. Once I get more feedback from people who are trying my method and struggling, then I'll post more videos discussing those particular aspects in detail. In summary, in this video, first we discuss how to put every step of this method together and how to use it practically. Next, I provided details of how I can help if you need additional help with using my method to cure depression. And finally, I gave an update of what's next for the channel. After you watch my videos, please do try using my method. I really hope to spread my method all over the world to give hope to people who are suffering from depression. I really do think that everyone deserves a way to be able to permanently cure their depression without using medication. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and all the best with your journey to cure your depression.